Hi everyone, my name is Chris and I'm from Need for Spread. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my today's video Q&A and Friday results for Btrade Signal Pro trading software. I hope you're having a good weekend, a nice weekend. And in today's video, it will be about yesterday trading session because I didn't have time to register for you, and I'll show the results today. And also I'll answer to some questions that you asked me via email and YouTube channel, and stay here until the end to see the results. And of course, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. In this way you'll be notified every time we upload a new video. So thank you for supporting us with a like, and let's go jumping into the video. Alright. So we are inside my Btrade Signal Pro trading software dashboard. And for those of you who don't know what Btrade Signal Pro is, it's a semi-automated trading software. That means it will, a click of a button, it will place a trade into your broker account. And in the Btrade Signal Pro, this is the area where the signals are shown. And a lot of you was asking me via email and other communication stuff that why we don't have here a confidence factor for Btrade Signal Pro, or how you know which the trade is best to place. And I'm telling you that Btrade Signal Pro doesn't have a confidence factor because if you know what confidence factor is that showing you in percentage how a signal, it's how many chances I have a signal to be in the money. It's between 50% and 100%, and you know I'm always telling you to use confidence factor more than 60%. And what can I tell you about Btrade Signal Pro? It doesn't have a confidence factor because all the signals here are more than 70%. So you can choose any of the trade, any of the signal is shown here, and it will be more than 70% chances to be a winning trade, to be in the money trade. Let's go to my broker account to see the results of today's trading session. And this is my broker's account, and here we have my free margin. It's 854.95, and this is the total profit of 600. I started my account with $250, and in 4 days now I have 854. It's not bad. And here, down here, we have the trades of yesterday trades, and I placed only 2 trades, and I have a profit of 441.46. The both trades were in the money, were winning trades, and the profit is 441.46, as you can see. And let's see the both trade. This trade, it was created at 4:46 because more of you were asking me which is the best time to trade. The best time to trade is between 9 o'clock and 5 o'clock in the evening, from Monday to Friday. In the weekends the markets are closed. So this trade is GBP Swiss franc, and here is the lotting volume is 0.5. And this is another question for you: how do you set the lotting volume? And what I can tell you, the lotting volume it's set by the software, by Btrade Signal Software Pro. It's set according to your account balance. So if you start with $250, then the lot volume, you will see that it will be lower. Here in my case, because my balance it's increased, it's 0.5, but you might see 0.4 or 0.3 if you're starting with a minimum deposit of 250. So that's another question that you ask me it was about the lotting volume and how you can set this. And the answer to this question is that Btrade Signal Pro software will set it automatically for you. So the open price, it's 1.2 for Great Britain pound Swiss franc. Trade, it's 1.26514, and the closed price is 1.27094. It was a buy. The profit of $240.73. And the next one, it was placed also at 445 euro Swiss franc. It was a buy also, and an open price of 1.10370, and the close price of 1.10870, and $200 profit. So far the results are very good. About, if you look at my previous videos, you'll see that almost all the trades are in the money, with some exception. But if you can make an average, it's from 5 trades, 4 are in the money. So it's a very reliable trading software. And for your convenience, if you want to join for free this trading software, you have the link below this video in the description area. Don't forget, when you join, clear your browser cache and browser cookies. In this way you will avoid to be redirected to other scam websites, because as I told you in other videos, and you can watch them, when such a trading software appears on the market, in exactly 1 to 2, 3, 4 days a scam website will be out there. So you should be very careful when you sign up. Here needs to be btradesignal.com, not .co, not .yo, not nothing. That's why it's safer for you to use the registration link. It's a secure link and will take you directly to their official website, their official registration website. So that's the video for today. If you have question, you can put the question below this video. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. In this way you'll be notified every time we upload a new video. So I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice weekend. Bye.